So you have math homework that you don't understand. You try to take notes in class, but the teacher moves too fast and you can't keep up. You want to ask a question, but you don't want to look stupid, or you do ask a question and they explain it and you still don't understand it any better than you did before. Maybe your teacher doesn't care enough. Maybe you have no one that can help you and you just want some one-on-one type help. This is why I created Math by Fire, to help students fill in the gaps in their math knowledge to help them ace tests and feel confident in math. Math does not have to be hard. If you just have the right teacher and environment, you will succeed. This video serves as an open invitation to anyone 13 and up in at least 8th grade to submit their math homework to me, in which I will quickly put together a video going over each problem step by step, giving explanations and tips along the way. I'll be covering areas of math, including but not strictly limited to algebra, geometry, algebra 2, trigonometry, pre-calculus, and calculus. In order to submit your homework, you'll need to fill out a super simple Google form that takes about 3 minutes at most to fill out. I'll go over that in just a minute. Now, while this is monetarily free, there is a small fee in the form of a comment. All you have to do is just take the reference code at the end of the form and put it into a comment on any of my videos, and that's it. Now, if this Google form falls out of date for any reason, I'll leave a card somewhere above, so you can click that and see the updated version. Okay, here's the Google form. It's pretty straightforward. The first thing it's going to ask you is your age and grade verification. So you're going to go through that, and then it's going to ask you for your username on YouTube. Now, this is to help me find your comment when you post, and then also to look for additional questions that you might have on the video that I post for you in case things aren't clear enough. So I'm going to go ahead and put in Create by Fire. And if you have a due date, this will help to understand what the urgency is for this assignment. So if I get multiple then from various people, then I can kind of prioritize them based on that urgency level. And then of course you're going to fill in your course. So I'll just pick Algebra 2 here, and then any kind of unit name, subject, or specific area, just so I know what I'm getting into before I jump into the assignment. And then we have the file section. So you'll upload any kind of docs or images or PDFs. For the assignment, you'll probably only need to submit one file that contains all of the questions, but if you do need to submit more than one, you can submit up to 10. Then there's this last piece here is for any kind of areas that you want me to go over in more depth, or any kind of questions that you have that I can answer for you. I'll put those into the video as well. So I'll go ahead and select let's see, let me get a file. Okay, and so here I have a file, equations of parabolas. And so I uploaded that. I can type whatever specific area down here, and then I can hit submit. And it takes a second. And then now that we've made it to the submission, there's this section right here, fire-A82, blah, blah, blah. You're going to copy this. You're going to put it into a comment on any of my videos, and I will look for that there to make sure that you've put in a comment. Now, obviously, I don't have any control over what you're going to do with this material. You might just write down the work that I show and write the answer that I give and then turn in the assignment. That's up to you. However, I do highly recommend that you take this opportunity to increase your knowledge on math and to improve on the areas in which you struggle. This isn't just about homework. Having a better understanding is going to help you with your quizzes and your tests and any future math courses that you take, as math tends to build on itself. If you like this idea and you think that it could be helpful for you or to others, please hit the like button so that it can find its way to more people. And if you know anyone that could benefit from some one-on-one math help, share the link with them. Thanks for watching. This is Math by Fire.